Alright, he's coming down to get some more there. This crispy morning. It was in the 30s last night. We can hear all the machinery going. Every bit of it this morning. Head down here, got to cross the back. Because when they cut across the driveway here, that guy's trying to level off all his ground and everything after everything got picked up. Look at that, all the fall leaves. Enjoy the foliage in this video while you're watching them work. Alright. He's going to be getting from this side here. Time to collect from here. Oh, look how big that opens up, huh? Look at that. That's what you call logging. Harvesting. Clearing out the land. Isn't it nice to see all the foliage with it too? Makes for a nice video, really. Adds all the colors. Pull that out. Gonna grab it really good and tight. Take it right up there. I think most of this is going right in the chipper. If you've seen some of my other videos and stuff, you'll see the chipper out heavy at work. Alright, and off he goes all the way to the other end for the chipper. But while we're showing you beautiful foliage, let me turn right around and show you the beautiful mountain view. It's $1 million view that I have. This is the front of my house. And look at that in the back. A whole mountain. A lot of the foliage already passed and everything, but hey, when the sun shines on that with all the different colors and everything, it's beautiful. See all the beautiful colors, all the changing of the leaves. Alright, be sure to sub me as I bring you some more.